Sa karera na to, tong Sunny Nature na numero 7 at numero 8 yung Catbite, naglaban to nung huling takbo sa 1,400 meters na distansya. Nung ang nagugisa, naging laban nila ay si Part-Time Lover na segundo tong numero 7 Sunny Nature. Dumating naman ang tersero tong numero 8 yung Catbite at tinalo nila pareho sa datingan tong numero 6 na Bayanihan. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging laban nila.
Catbite was racing in second, Sunny Nature now for the outside third. Chilangs for the back, Sound of Silence, then followed by Bayanihan. Towards the last 400, there is still Part-Time Lover, leads by Sam Trilangs now followed by Sunny Nature. Down for the inside, Catbite, right outside fourth now, Sound of Silence, 6 lengths away Bayanihan. And final turn now, it is still at the favorite. Part-Time Lover leads by Sam 6 now, followed by Sunny Nature, Catbite, Sound of Silence. And leading the finish line, it is still the outstanding favorite, that's Part-Time Lover. Second, Sunny Nature, Catbite, and Sound of Silence.
Dito naman sa karera na to, mahusay ang itinakbo nitong numero 8 yung Catbite. Nung nasegundo to kay Boss Uno at mainam ang chinempo, 1.28 sarado sa 1,400 meters sa distansya. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging takbo niya.
Louise, then following back, Sound of Silence, then followed by Love of My Life, Official Seal, then followed by Sovereign Red, who's still running in a tail blue fielder. And as a round of far turn, still Catbite leads by Alan Kanya, followed now by Lady Louise. Bozuno, here comes Sound of Silence now from the outside, and 4 lengths back, Official Seal. Then followed by Love of My Life, another 7 lengths, and Sovereign Red. And final turn now, Catbite, Boss Uno, and second on the outside, Lady Louise. Then followed by Official Seal now by the outside, and Sound of Silence. Catbite and moving up is Boss Uno now by the outside, Lady Louise, Boss Uno, and Catbite. And finally, it's Boss Uno. Second, Catbite, Lady Louise, Official Seal.
Dito naman sa karera na to, mahusay din naman ang itinakbo nitong numero 7 Sunny Nature sa 1,400 meters sa distansya. Nung nasegundo to kay Grand Jackpot, sumempo naman ang 1.28.8. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging takbo niya.
Nature, then 2 lengths back, Moderna, then followed by American Ford. And as they race the far turn, still Grand Jackpot leads by some 5 lengths now, followed by Bayanihan, Sunny Nature, American Ford now for the outside, then a long way back to entry number 3, Moderna, and towards the last 400, it is still Grand Jackpot leads by some 6 now, Sunny Nature racing in second, Bayanihan, American Ford from the outside, long way back, Moderna, and down the stretch they go, it is still Grand Jackpot leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Sunny Nature, American Ford, and down to the finish now, it is still Grand Jackpot swings away once again to about 6 and winning this race. Second, Sunny Nature, American Ford, Bayanihan, and Moderna.
Dito naman sa karera na to, nagbabalik takbong numero 4, Bipit and Fabulous. Bago to na bakasyon, mainaw yung naitala nitong tiyempo at takbo sa 1,200 meters na distansya. 1.15.2 ang Prineba nung nasigunda to kay home court. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging takbo niya.
Followed by Heavyweight, Leviathan, Bipit and Fabulous, home court in the middle portion. Bipit and Fabulous, Leviathan, home court in between horses. Bipit and Fabulous now takes the lead. Home court now to take second, Leviathan, then followed by Heavyweight. And it's still Bipit and Fabulous on the outside is home court. As the field turns for home, Bipit and Fabulous, home court now on the outside. And it's still Bipit and Fabulous, home court now on the outside. Home court, Bipit and Fabulous. It's now home court over Bipit and Fabulous in second, down to the finish. Home court grabs the lead, and finally home court, Bipit and Fabulous. Then comes to Heavyweight, tanging ikaw.
Dito naman sa karera na to, naglaban naman sa 1,200 meters sa distansya, itong numero 3 na Primero Soldado at itong numero 6 na Dynamic Dyna. No, ang nagwagi sa naging laban nila ay si Tenacity. Dumating ng pang-anim itong numero 6 na Dynamic Dyna. Tinaling niya ng dikit lang sa meta sa datingan. Itong nabugaw naman, dumating ng pang-pito itong numero 3 na Primero Soldado. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging laban at takbo nila.
Here comes Primero Soldado outside. Victory's Passion, Angel's Crown, and Rise Up. As the field turns for home, Merit still Tenacity. Primero Soldado outside, Victory's Passion. Merit still Tenacity, Douglas Beer, Primero Soldado. Tenacity by about 2.5 lengths. And moving up, Angel's Crown, Primero Soldado. And finally, it's Tenacity. Second, close, Angel's Crown, Douglas Spear, Victory's Passion.
Dito naman sa karera na to, mahusay ang itinakbo nitong numero 3 na Primero Soldado. Pumeba na 1-16 sarado sa 1,200 meters sa distansya. Nang dumating itong pang-apat kila Andrews Bet, Justifiable at Yanderenden. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging takbo nito.
Andrews Bet, Bloomies and Abulina. And it's still Justifiable. Primero Soldado na outside. Second, then. As the field turns for home, Justifiable. Primero Soldado. Then. Andrews Bet. And it's still Justifiable. Primero Soldado. Andrews Bet. Then. Justifiable still in front. Primero Soldado. Andrews Bet. Then. But it's still Justifiable. Andrews Bet on the outside. Justifiable. Andrews Bet. And finally it's going to be Andrews Bet. Justifiable. Then.
Dito naman sa karera na to, dumating ng segundo, itong numero 5, Auspicious kay Himanshi sa prebang 1.17.4 para sa 1,200 meters sa distansya. At tinalo niya sa datingan itong numero 1, Baywatch. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging laban nila at takbo.
Again, Dane Stalin, second, coming closer now is Keep the Jade, Himanshi, then followed over by Rahabago. Baywatch is next in line as they race the last 400. Auspicious by only 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Keep the Jade, then comes Himanshi, Dagen Dane as they turn for home. Auspicious, Himanshi moving up that on the inside and Keep the Jade on a farther outside. It's now Himanshi in the middle. Is Auspicious, Himanshi, Auspicious, Rahabago moving up, but it's still Himanshi over Auspicious, and finally Himanshi wins the race over Auspicious.
Dito naman sa karera na to, itong numero 7 double strike, nung nasa kainaman pa itong manakbo, nagtalato na mainam din tiyempo, 1.15.4 para sa 1,200 meters sa distansya. Dumating ng tersero kay Coolmam at Smart Julian. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging takbo nito.
Double strike and Coolmam. But it's still Smart Julian by allowing Lucky Fortune. Now are outside second. Angel's Crown double strike. Douglas Spear then comes Coolmam. And it's still Smart Julian moving up now. Lucky Fortune on the outside. Double strike. Angel's Crown and Douglas Spear. But it's still Smart Julian double strike on the outside. Is Lucky Fortune. Is Smart Julian. Lucky Fortune double strike is running by Drella. And down to the finish. And it's still Smart Julian double strike is running by Drella. And it's still Smart Julian double strike. Coolmam finds an opening down on the inside. Is Smart Julian, Coolmam. It's now Coolmam. Second is Smart Julian double strike. Then comes 6 Lucky Fortune.
Sa karera na to, itong numero 10 na Sundance, mainam na yung huling itinakbo nito. para sa 1,400 meters na distansya. Si J.A. Gusi ang rumenda rito. Chumempo na 1.29 sarado, dumating ng panlima, Ila Ayuda, Family Affair, Ala Sabon at Megan Maxine. Kaya panoorin po natin yung naging takbo nito.
To Mandatum, halfway down the treble marching stride, rushing up once again, Megan Maxine. It's Megan Maxine, leads by line, followed by Family Affair in second, 3 lengths for the back, Alas Bond, and followed by Cassius King. Next in line, Mandatum, Zirshia, also there now moving up, Sundance, then followed by Hiroshima. And last 600 to go. Megan Maxine holding on to the 3 for the Balenka, followed by Family Affair. Cassius King now running in third. Ala Sabona from the outside. Sundance also there now, then followed by Mandatum. Sirsia, then followed by player Andrea Ayuda. Next in line, Hiroshima. And final third now. Family Affair against the lead now for the outside, followed by Megan Maxine. And running in third, Cassius King. Here comes Ala Sabona and Sundance, but still Family Affair leads by some 2 lengths, and rushing up is Ayuda, and finally Ayuda. Family Affair, Ala Sabon and Megan Maxine.
Paalala, ito po lamang ay magabay para makadagdag sa inyong kaalaman, at kayo na po ang bahala para sa inyong mga pag-aanalisa, at sana ay makatulong sa inyo sa kahit na paanong paraan para sa inyong paglilibang at pangangarera. Salamat po.